Hi, I'm Mark with the NorthShoreCommercialDoor.com. Today's history lesson will be on Challenger. Challenger is a name that's been in the garage door industry for several decades. Challenger has been a name that's been used under license by several different manufacturers. I don't think that currently today there's anything being manufactured under the Challenger name other than some Challenger radio controls. Not many parts are still available for them, but we do have a list on our website of what's available for the Challengers. So,
at NorthShoreCommercialDoor.com, we stand by our products and customers, so we offer products that are reliable and come with support. Thank you for watching the NorthShoreCommercialDoor.com video. Now please subscribe to our channel so we can continue making informational videos like this.